Roll Tiger Beat.
What does it say?
Chloe cannot wait to see you. Wait.
Don't pull that up. Read what it says.
Chloe, I cannot wait to see you at my concert on August 23rd. Wait, she's going to what?
She's going to see Selena Gomez in concert on August 23rd. Can you believe it? And there's a poster of her inside there, so. Is that awesome? Are you excited?
You're going to have to ask Emma to do that with you.
Well.